Hey guys. Hello everybody.
Okay, so hey guys, right now we are at the bowling alley and we are gonna go bowling.
And I'm just so excited.
Yeah, everybody's so excited, including Matthew. He's been waiting for this day for like a week every day. He goes, "Is it time yet? Is it time yet?"
So now let's get into the bowling fun.
Okay, you guys, so we are going to go youngest to oldest.
That's totally not fair.
Sorry guys, but that's just how we're gonna do it. Okay, Lola, tell me when to stop moving this.
Stop.
Okay. Go ahead whenever you're ready. Wow, good job, sweetheart.
I did so good.
Yeah, sweetheart, you did. Okay, guys, so Lola knocked down 2 pins, so she gets 2 points. Woohoo!
Now it's my turn.
Yep, now it's Matthew's turn. Okay, buddy, tell me when to stop moving it.
Stop.
Okay. Okay, buddy, go whenever you're ready. Boom! Oh my goodness, that was so good!
Oh yeah, don't Matthew, don't Matthew, don't Matthew. Woo woo.
Holy cow, Matt, you knocked over 2, 4, 6 pins. Got yourself 6 whole points.
Good job, Matthew. You got so many points. I love you. Oh, thank you, Lola. You did good too. Love you too. Yeah, he did good, but I'm gonna win.
Okay, Phoebe, it's your turn now. Tell me when to stop moving it.
Now, right in the middle.
Okay. All right, Phoebe, whenever you're ready. Whoa, good job, honey.
Oh yeah, go Queen Phoebe, go Queen Phoebe, go Queen Phoebe. Oh yeah.
You did so good, sweetheart, but I got a bit of bad news for you.
What? What is it? What? Tell Queen Phoebe she can handle anything.
Okay, honey, well, you knocked over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins, and Matthew knocked over 6. You still did so good, but unfortunately he beat you. Sweetheart, what's wrong?
My life's over.
Okay, you guys, so Matthew beat Phoebe by just 1 pin, and some were happier about it than others, I guess we'll say. But the point recap is Matthew came in first, Phoebe came in second, and Lola came in third.
But it's okay that we didn't win because we had fun.
Yeah, Lola, that's a very good point, and with that attitude, we're all winners.
Yeah. I hope you guys still enjoyed this video, even though you all wanted Queen Phoebe to win. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.